Hello everyone. Today I want to share the process of creating a Stalker figurine based on a computer game. There are many projects in the world of video games that have left a bright mark in the minds of players, but Stalker is a real milestone in the genre of survival horror and first-person shooter. Created by Studio GSC Game World, this unique project immerses us in the ominous atmosphere of the Chernobyl exclusion zone, where the fight for survival is more relevant than ever. The main character, Stalker, explores the endless expanses of the Forbidden Zone, inhabited by strange mutants and ruthless mercenaries. The player will not only have to fight for his life, but also uncovers secrets hidden in the thick fog of the past. Every step can be the last: radiation, anomalies, and the thirst for profit of evil hunters make every find and decision strategically important. Gameplay mechanics, a deep plot, and unpredictable events captivate and make you return to this world again and again. Stalker has become not just a game, but a real cultural phenomenon that has left an unforgettable mark in the hearts of fans around the world, including me. Since when creating my sculptures, I do not use sketches and do not rely on one specific image. The sculpting process begins with the selection of photos of different parts, such as weapons, masks, helmets, etc. In my opinion, each detail is very important, especially the ability to remove or disassemble it. For example, a gas mask or helmet. After creating the main volume of the figure, the decoration stage begins. Adding small details such as pockets, belts and seams, because the presence of a large number of small details saturates the image, making it unique and more alive. I like to make removable weapons, swords and knives in sheaths, pistols in a holster, a shield that can be inserted into the hand or hook on the back, etc. I keep the use of paints to a minimum and try to sculpt directly from colored clay, and I use paints to add realism, where dirt, blood. This allows you to improve not only the appearance, but also convey the atmosphere. In the case of Stalker, gloomy and mysterious. Jeans and the jacket should be worn and dirty. In the conditions of the post-apocalyptic world, the weapons are also old and shabby condition. In my opinion, a gas mask, an artifact sensor and a container for carrying them, as well as backpack, should be mandatory, and for increased ammunition, a patch for Eclipse for AK-74 will be placed on the stomach. In conclusion, we know that this game is truly unique in its atmospheric and deep world, which immerses players in a realistic and gloomy universe. Many fans appreciate the game for its complex storylines, diverse characters, and the ability to explore a huge world. I hope you enjoy the process of creating a Stalker figurine. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the button and go to the channel to look for other favorite characters that I may have already sculpted, or write in the comments who else you want me to sculpt.